Hello, welcome to General Chemistry 1. This is Chapter 1 Notes. And what you're going to notice is that there's several places in here that are hyperlinks. So you can open the book, or if you want, you can open a simulation. You'll see some simulations. You're going to see videos linked in here. So even if you printed off the hard copy and you're writing on the hard copy, just know that you can go to the digital version and you can follow links. I do this with most of the notes. You're going to see math reference page in almost all the notes, and it's just your front page, your reference page, kind of help you pull stuff together. This one has some charts on it you are going to use later on. So the real place you're going to start is Chapter 1. So I'm going to do a little bit of the notes to begin with, and then we'll cover the rest of the notes in class. However, I am going to go ahead and include the recording for the rest of the notes in the playlist because some people find it helpful to preview the information, fill in their notes, and then when they go to class, they know what we're talking about is not their first time through. Though this first page is just a very quick look at chemistry because, of course, this is the course of chemistry. We think it's the best, right? We put it in the middle. I know I have a lot of people who take my course who love biology or medicine. I have had all kinds of different people in my classes, though. And just wanted to point out that the applications of chemistry fall into all of these different fields. So that's why you'll see us saying chemistry is central. Quick note on the scientific method. You've seen versions of this since you were very, very young, I am sure, in school. And, you always start with your observations right here. But there is something that the reality of the scientific method isn't as clear until you've gone to grad school and tried to design or make something new. So what happens is that you have an advisor who has this great hypothesis, and they convince you that this is the perfect project for you. So you start looking and you do all the research and you start performing experiments. So day after day, you've performed these experiments that are supposed to work, but they don't. So you then go back to the advisor and you talk about it, and then they say, oh, well, maybe you should change this part of the experiments. So you change that part of the experiments, and you change, and nothing happens day after day after day. So you keep going round and round and round until the day you all finally get it worked out. This could be a few weeks. This could be a few months. So you finally get it worked out that you have results. Then you have to make sure they're consistent. And then once you do that, that's when you can write a paper. You can get your name published and information goes out. It takes quite some time for these two